Welcome back to the channel Deep Sleep English, the podcast where you learn English naturally while listening to real conversation.
Yes, please, and subscribe to Deep Sleep English. When you subscribe, you help us make more and more podcasts for you.
And share this. If you have a friend who wants to speak English fast, send this episode to them. It helps everyone.
Hi, I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're really happy you're here.
Yes, very happy. This is a place where we talk about real life in very simple English.
No teachers, no tests, no pressure.
Just two friends talking slowly.
And today's topic is talking slowly without feeling embarrassed.
Ooh, this is a big one.
Smiles, nods. Yeah, a lot of people feel this.
Especially English learners.
Exactly. So if you ever feel shy or embarrassed because you speak slowly, this conversation is for you.
So, Alex, before we start, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, but good.
Same. I didn't sleep very well last night.
Oh no, why?
I was thinking too much. You know, life, work, everything.
Yeah, thinking at night is dangerous. Smiles.
Very dangerous. But I have coffee now, so I'm okay.
Coffee helps everything.
Always.
Okay, let's talk about speaking slowly.
Yes, let's start very easy.
When you speak English, do you speak fast or slow?
Now I speak normal speed.
But before?
Oh, before I spoke very slowly.
Really?
Yes, and I felt embarrassed.
Interesting.
I thought, people will think I'm not smart. People will think I don't know English.
Yeah, a lot of learners think that. I want to tell a small story.
Okay, I'm listening.
When I was in college, I met a student from Brazil.
Oh, nice.
Her name was Anna. She spoke English very slowly.
Like, very slow?
Very slow. She paused a lot. She thought a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And you know what?
What?
Everyone liked her.
Really?
Yes, because she was calm, she was clear, and people could understand her.
Wow.
No one laughed, no one was angry.
That's important. I think many learners imagine something scary.
Yes.
They imagine people rolling their eyes. They imagine people saying, "Speak faster."
But that doesn't happen very often.
No, most people are patient.
And if they're not patient, that's their problem.
Exactly. Can I share a story too?
Please.
When I was traveling in Japan, I met a woman who spoke English slowly.
Okay.
She stopped, she thought, she chose her words carefully. And you know what?
What?
I felt relaxed. I didn't feel stressed.
Because it was slow?
Yes, slow English feels friendly.
That's a good point. Let's say something important.
Okay,
Speaking slowly is not wrong.
say it again.
Speaking slowly is not wrong.
One more time.
Speaking slowly is not wrong.
Yes.
Claps.
Sometimes learners think, native speakers speak fast, so I must speak fast.
But that's not true.
Not at all.
Native speakers speak fast with friends,
Or when they are excited.
or when they are nervous.
Or when they are angry.
But when we want to be clear,
We slow down.
even native speakers speak slowly sometimes.
All the time.
When we explain something,
When we tell a story.
when we talk to children.
Or when we talk to someone learning English.
Slowness is normal.
Let's talk about embarrassment.
Yeah, that feeling in your chest,
The hot face.
the fast heart.
The voice shaking.
I know that feeling.
Me too.
Why do you think people feel embarrassed?
I think people are afraid of judgment.
Judgment.
They think others are thinking bad things.
Like, she sounds strange. He talks like a child.
Yes,
But we don't really know what people think.
Most of the time, people are not thinking about us.
True, they're thinking about themselves.
Exactly. Here's something important.
Tell me.
Here's something important. When you speak slowly, you give yourself power.
Power?
Yes, you control the conversation.
Oh, I like that.
You don't rush, you don't panic,
You choose your words.
and people listen.
Let's do a small example.
Okay, fun.
I'm a learner. You're a stranger.
Okay. Hi, sorry, I speak English slowly.
Smiles warmly. That's okay. Take your time.
Relieved. Thank you.
See? Simple.
Very simple. Most people are kind.
Yes.
And if someone is not kind,
You don't need their approval.
exactly.
Let's slow down right now.
Okay.
Take a breath.
In and out.
Speaking slowly feels good.
It really does.
Before we finish, what is one thing you want learners to remember?
I want them to remember this. Your voice matters, even when it's slow.
That's beautiful. What about you?
I want learners to know you don't need to hurry to be respected.
Wow.
Slow English is strong English.
I love that.
Me too.
Okay, let's wrap up.
Yes,
Today, we talked about speaking slowly.
and not feeling embarrassed.
We learned that slow speech is clear,
Slow speech is confident.
and slow speech is human.
Very human.
If you're listening right now,
And you feel shy
or nervous,
or embarrassed,
it's okay.
you're doing great.
Thanks for spending time with us.
Thank you for listening slowly with us.
We'll see you next time.
Take care. Speak slowly.